simple anchovy fry, a very delicious and tasty fish fry which is high in omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, selenium, vitamins A, E and niacin. Today we are going to make simple anchovy fry. The ingredients are 500 grams of anchovy. The next ingredients are 2 to 3 green chilies, shallots, 5 to 10 garlic, black pepper, fennel seeds, 1 spoon, 1 tomato cut into pieces after taking off all the pulp, and half a spoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. Put in the tomato into the grinder. Followed by the shallots, then the green chili, then the garlic, then the fennel seeds, black pepper, and the turmeric powder and the salt. Close and grind well. This is the masala which we have taken into the plate from the grinder. Now put in the anchovies into the masala and mix with the masala so that all the ground paste of the masala is evenly applied onto the anchovy. Put in the anchovies and mix the masala so that it is evenly applied. Keep on mixing the masala and the anchovies for around 5 to 6 minutes so that the whole thing is evenly applied. After evenly applying the masala onto the anchovies, marinate in the masala or spice mix for 2 to 3 hours. Anchovies are a very healthy and nutritious seafood. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and niacin, vitamin A, vitamin E, calcium, selenium, potassium, and other minerals. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for cardiac health. Vitamin A and E are antioxidants. And vitamin A is specifically good for the eyes. Niacin, which is B complex vitamin, is a booster of immunity. And anchovies are also a good source of calcium, which is an important part of bone and muscle health and prevents osteoporosis. Overall, anchovies are a very healthy seafood, and eating them regularly will definitely boost your health. Marinate for 2 to 3 hours in the marinade. Heat the pan and pour in 50 to 70 ml of oil. Put in the anchovies one by one into the oil. Traditionally, these anchovies are fried in iron skillets. Here, we are using non-stick pans. Close and fry in the oil for 5 minutes on one side. Now open and shift the other and turn the fish to the other side one by one. This has to be done every 5 minutes. until the fish are a nicely brown color. After this, close and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Now the anchovies are almost brown. Now they can be taken off into another pan. Do this with the next batch of anchovies also, which we have put into the pan. The same procedure can be repeated, and every 5 minutes the fish can be turned from side to side, and after 4 to 5 turns they become brown and they can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final simple anchovy fry, a very delicious and tasty and healthy fish fry which is high in omega-3 fatty acids. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.